And news is coming in. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has spoken to Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. Dr. Harshvardhan tweeted, spoke to Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray ji, reassured the Chief Minister of adequate and uninterrupted supply of medical oxygen and all possible support with respect to health infrastructure, medicines. Harshvardhan then went on to say that 1,121 ventilators are also being rushed to Maharashtra given the surge in cases. I want to cut across to India Today's Vidya for more on this. Rahul Srivastav stays with me on this big story. Vidya, bring us details of if we have so far of the conversation between the centre and the state on supply of medical oxygen. Is that being augmented? And two, is there merit in the NCP leader saying, Nawab Malik saying that centre has directed pharma companies not to give remdesivir to Maharashtra?
Well, at the moment, yes, Gaurav. In fact, if you look at the requirement that is there, the entire vials that are extremely important right now are not being made available to Maharashtra, is what the Maharashtra government has been saying. And in fact, that's the reason why the Chief Minister, not once but thrice, he had called up the PMO since morning, but was continuously told that the Prime Minister was busy in West Bengal rallies. And in fact, he would get back when he comes back to Delhi. But at the moment, yes, it was after that since the requirement is still there and the fact that FDA has still not been able to procure, that finally the Maharashtra government has given a go-ahead to the FDA department, asking it to go ahead and raid and seize all these remdesivir which are existing on the Maharashtra soil but are not yet being given out because the central is not giving them the go ahead. They have alleged specifically saying that the companies, they are in talks with companies since the last many days, but each company under the conversations that they have been having have been telling them in abated breaths that it is the centre which has been telling them not to give, and that is the reason why they are not able to comply with the request of Maharashtra government. It is because of these allegations that finally, because the Maharashtra government was not able to procure these medicines, that they hit out finally. But
this is also extremely grave, Rahul Srivastav. Maharashtra government telling its departments to raid facilities where remdesivir is stocked in Maharashtra and seize stocks because centre, according to these companies, is what Maharashtra government says, is not providing them to the state. This points to a very alarming situation between the centre and the state of Maharashtra.
Yes, Gaurav. I think that's very extremely sad that at this moment, measures like this, if you hear Nawab Malik, there is a lot of Maharashtra pride and Maharashtra element being brought in. This is not a moment. Maharashtra is an industrialized state. Let's talk about, say, if not remdesivir, if Central is controlling it, because given the pandemic, there are certain measures being taken. But on April 10th, as I said, a missive was sent to the companies that Maharashtra is a focus area. And if you want, I can read out from the order.
Yes.
That it was specified by the center that I can read out that in the light of the concerns over the availability of remdesivir in major states dealing with COVID-19 cases, especially Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Gujarat, companies are requested to rush the stock to these states immediately and act on this regard. Action in this regard should be initiated. The point, Gaurav, is be it vaccination, for example, opposition parties first created doubts about the vaccination and then today are saying everybody should be vaccinated. We saw in between a lot of vaccine hesitancy. Now a panic is being created over
Absolutely. Rahul, we will talk more about this on India Today at 7 p.m. and join me.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.